To make a reference callout, we have a 1/8 scale floor plan, in this case of the lab, and a 1/16 of the overall project. As you can see, it's the same floor plan. I used level 5, but you might be using a different level in your laboratory. Okay, we're going to create a callout by pressing callout under view and selecting the areas within the plans that are congested in terms of amount of detail. When I mean congestion, I mean I'm trying to say that they have so many ingredients, architectural ingredients, that cannot be explained in neither of these two scales, 1/8 and 1/16. Okay, you do want to clean this up. And obviously, in my case, I should have more ingredients here. You should have the elevators, stairway probably, etc., etc. Now, here's the thing. The second I created the callout, I created a new plan view called callout 1. I'm going to rename this and say level 5. Let's call it level 5 core plan. And let's open it now, double click. WT is tiling the windows, and ZA zooms everything up. So now I have the ones that I had before, 1/16, 1/8, and the callout. Okay, I created the callout in the 1/16 here, and I want to call out in the 1/8, referring to the same exact view, which is this one. If I create a normal callout here and I accomplish the tool of a callout, it's creating a new callout here called lab callout 1. Well, that's not going to help us. I'm going to Control C and do again callout, and we need to press reference other view and select here this callout that we created before, core plan, no? And now you can draw it, and it should correspond with how you drew it in this other view, of course. Okay, so that means that if I create a new sheet here, for example called core plans, expand that, I can drag in the core plan callout that I created. It's automatically, it jumps to well, that one's 1/8 because I made it from the 1/16, so I'm going to double click and make it 1/4. This is the scale we really wanted. Right click, deactivate, and this is a callout of your plan. Automatically, if we go back to our level 5 laboratory at 1/8, you will have the reference sheet number placed there with a sim symbol saying that it's similar to the level 5 overall at 1/16, and there is. So this is actually the way to refer two different callouts to the same view. Okay, I think we did this last time, so it's good to repeat nevertheless. If you go to the callout core plan, from these views you will normally have multiple letters annotating the different ingredients. You will just go to text and annotate with segments, and you would say, elevator type blah blah blah, depending on what is the ingredient you want to mention. And if the text doesn't appear, remember there's two cropping views. One is the interior, crops all the architecture ingredients, and the exterior crops the text, so you can make it bigger to have all that text. Please don't spell like your professor. Try to do it properly, okay? Good. So that you will include annotations, and you will include as well dimensions between architectural elements, between grids, vertically and horizontally, because at this scale we can actually achieve that amount of information.